over in your face. Go.
Your destination is on the left.
Hey, everybody ready to swim? Very good. At the pool. Very nice. Oh, great. Extra hour. Okay? So are you ready? Hey, Coach Joyce. Nakita ko na. Ayun! Listen. Yung kickboard nyo, dapat na rin mga kickboard. Okay? Sino to? With the head down, dito na ako. Very good. Kita.
Sweet.
Okay, you pull. Hold the kickboard. Pull. Hold the kickboard. 3, 2, 1. Go. Good. Very good. Number 3. Number 4. And go. All the way to the other side. Very good. Yung number 2. Nawawala ang flutter kick. No shortcut. Mat dito sa kilikili. Doon sa likod. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Big circle. Good. That's it. Anong kamay lang? Steady lang to. Hawak mo gagalawin to. 3, 2, 1. Go. Steady. Right up on it. Yeah. 1. And go. Kick. Very good. That's it. Good job. Number 2.
Wow, sweetie.
Number 2.
Sweetie. Good job, sweetie.
3, 2, 1. Head down. Good. Kick. Very good. Number 2. 1. Go. Very good. Okay, yung magsasettle po ng account, pwede na po magsettle ng account.
Opo.
Pag nabisa nyo na po sila.
Ano nakatraate?
Do not inhale. When you are under the water, do not inhale. Okay? Papasok your nose, little by little. Okay? Ready? Go. Wala kang kick. Go. Good. Big check up. Big check up. Hawak mo na rito. Again. Hawak. Number 2. Number 1.
Sweetie, good job, Sweetie.
Go. Kick, arm. Kick, arm. Kick, arm. Kick, arm. One. Go. Kick. Arm. Kick. Arm. Kick. Arm. Number 2. Left arm. Both arms. Without the keyboard. Right arm first, then left. Go. Right arm. Right arm. Stop it. Go. Kick. Good. Number 2. One. Big circle. 3. Good. Thank you. Pesos yun ah. Ay, uwi na. Sige na, uwi na.
Baby, that's good.
Look up. Number 2. Very good. Receiving. Malakas ang arms up. Pull to the side. Ready? And go. Right arm. Move. There! Left arm! Left arm! Pull! Right arm! Yung ikot na lang, ha? Yung ikot na lang, iikot. Go! Good! Very good! Big arm! Very good! Good! Oh! Kick, kick, kick! Right arm! Ay, buka ang kamay! Yan! Buka! Yan! Buka! Yan! Buka! Yan, pinang. Ready, number 2! Look up, look up! Number 2! Very good. Please swimming, please swimming. 2, 1, go! Look up, look up! Sit up! Good! Number 2! Shoulder down! Look up! Go! Good! Good kick, number 2, good kick! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, go! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1! Arm straight, on! 2! Let down, 2! Good job! Sit down, go! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! Ayan. Go! Head down! Almost there, head down! Good, good. Tapusin mo, kayang tapusin yan, ha? Ready? Pick up the wall. Mabilis. Pero hindi sa likod ang daan. Ang daan, inside the body, going outsideward, side. Outside the hip, straight, tingnan nyo kung diretso. And then, hawak sa kickboard. Then pull, left arm, inside the body, outside the hip, straight. Balik. Okay? It will be done. Small kick, big kick arm. Small kick, big kick arm. Small kick, big kick arm. Small kick. Small, big kick arm. Small, big kick arm. Small, big kick arm. Small, big kick arm. Meron ka. 1, 2, arm. 1, 2, arm. 1, 2, left arm. Left arm. Right arm. Left arm. Isla, anong birthday wish mo? Live a long life and happy family. Ano naman ang wish mo kay Isla? Meron dapat.
I wish that to become successful in life and be healthy.
Wow, successful in life and healthy. Okay? Wealthy! Wow, yaman! Milyonarya. Okay? Ate naman, hindi pwedeng wala. Kahit one wish. Good life. Very good. Tapos sabi ni Rachel naman, I wish you become a swimmer, Olympic swimmer. Wow! Of course, nag-birthday pray, nag-birthday pray.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang bati.
Yay!
Blow the
Happy
candle, wala pa
birthday!
ng candle. Okay, sige po, we can eat. Wow. Pag coaches mo, binuringan, ubus yan. Oh, wala po kayo mga... Ito muna po kayo isa.
Happy birthday, Siri Banchi!
For the 7-year-old girls, no other than 9.53 seconds. Or 10.56 seconds. No other than Isla.
Wow, baby again. Jump pa ka. Baby ah. Okay.
For the 7-year-old girls, no other than 9.53 seconds. Or 10.56 seconds. No other than Isla.
Wow, baby again. Jump pa ka. Baby ah. Okay.
Time of 8.81. Our first swimmer is Isla.
Wow, baby. Put it there. Hawak ko lang.
Good luck, bro. Good luck. We already know the name.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
For the 7-year-old girls, no other than 9.53 seconds. Or 10.56 seconds. No other than Isla.
Wow, baby again. Jump pa ka. Baby ah. Okay.
Time of 8.81. Our first swimmer is Isla.
Wow, baby. Put it there. Hawak ko lang.
Good luck, bro. Good luck. We already know the name.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Isla. Ready na. Kasunod. For your warm-up sa backstroke. 10, 12, and all boys. Ready, Isla. Last spin. Second hit for your backstroke. On your mark. Set. Go.
Go, Isla. Go, Isla. Isla.
What do you want?
Baby, kick the wall. More. Go, Isla. Go. Go.
Rest ka na, rest ka na.
Isla.
Rachel na.
Go, Rachel, go.
Hindi na yung ano Rachel. Akit na doon. Ayan, go. Sige na, kaya. Rachel. Yan sa butterfly daw siya babawi.
Come on, baby. Touch the wall.
Rachel. Uwi tayo.
Your head.
Ayaw niyo naman sa pulo.
Go.
Go, Isla. Go. Go, baby.
Go.
Nice one.
Rachel, uwi tayo.
Let's go!
Baby, your hands, ah. Like that, ah. Go, baby. Nice one.
On your mark. Set. Go.
Go. Go.
Go. Ready for your warm up. Look. Go me. Arm. Una. Go.
Rachel, wait for your turn.
Rachel. Ready.
Rachel, ready?
Head down.
Binibidyo ko. Tingin ka lang ba sa taas?
Swimmers, doon kayo upo. And you will be cold. Pag kayo na ang lalangoy, you will be cold. Lalangoy kayo, you will be given yung mga anak niyo po, ay bibigyan ng B. Salanga!
Go, 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 baby. Isla Sanaya.
Zanaya! B. Salanga. Tama?
You're ano here?
Kayo po magkasabit ng
Wala.
Assist dito.
Paano nga?
Ang medal. Palakpakan! Tingin sa camera. Ano ba yung video?
Picture po.
Congratulations! Next certificate of completion is hereby granted to Charmaine. Tikman natin lahat para... Naku, parang naunahan ako sa puwet na. Nasa may puwet. May kasama sigawan! May kasamang talunan! Isla!
Wow! Ikaw lahat.
Panis kay Isla. Parang hindi ikaw ba to?
Our best coach! But for the 7-year-old girls, no other than 9.53 seconds. Or 10.56 seconds. No other than Isla!
Wow, baby, again. Jump pa ka. Baby, ah. Okay.
Sige na all swimmers, take your seat. Parents, dito rin po kayo mga parents. Number 2.